personally like the 120. It's 120. So these are the grit grits. Ooh, these are smaller ones, which is dope. So when I'm sanding my door parts, I'm able to get inside here, get the little frizzies off, get the frizzies off of there, get more frizzies off. So this kind of allow me to get in spots that I typically can't do in this. So to fill these knot holes, I use the Star Bond medium thick black, and then I sand it smooth. This one needs another coat. Look like the front side. This tower is almost done. That tower is complete. I got the base done, top sanded. All of this looks good. Just clamped up. I'm making the doors next. It's 4 shelves, 2 in each. 2 separate doors. Yeah.